Good morning.
How you doing?
I'm great, yeah.
Not too bad. What's the plan for today then?
So today we are filming the Facebook ads, and the house that we bought last week, we bought a 2-bedroom bungalow in Lichfield. We haven't seen it yet, but we've actually bought the house, so we're going to go there at 3 o'clock today, run through it, see what needs to be done, and get that all sorted.
Yep.
And then tomorrow we have key collection day for a house that we bought in Birmingham. It was a 3-bedroom detached. We paid 260,000 for it. We've been waiting for it for 4.5 months though. So tomorrow's a big day. Really looking forward to seeing that house.
I've not seen it yet.
No, but it's cool. It's a really, really good house. And then on the evening, we have a networking event in Chelsea, Bluebird. So that's going to be really fun. Obviously because the England game's on. And that's it. That's for today and tomorrow.
This looks sick. You ready to record some Facebook ads? Guys, we're about to record some Facebook ads in here. Duna, you've absolutely smashed it, mate. What do you guys think? I think it looks really cool. Right, Facebook ads are done and dusted, sort of. We've got about 2 or 3 left to do.
Shall we get these mortgage scripts ready?
Yes, I was just about to say the exact same thing, so we'll get that together.
Yeah.
Get that sorted. But in the meantime, time to relax. So, we're about to go to a viewing. We are a little bit late actually, so we've got to go right now. Do the viewing, mate, in a bit. Mate, that house is a joke. That house is going to be so sick when it gets renovated. I think we're literally just going to kit it out to the nines. We're going to go all out with this one. So yeah, going to go back to the office now, and then we are done for the day. Back at the office now then, guys. This is the house that we've literally just gone to go and have a viewing on. First of all, absolutely love this house. You're going to see why shortly, because we're going to run through the numbers and stuff like that. So what were your thoughts of it?
Great house, just need to get it done in record time. So you had 10 weeks for Car Road, you got 16 weeks for this.
16 weeks
16
deadline.
weeks deadline. We're gonna buy this cash. So it's a cash purchase, guys. 240K we got it for. So we're gonna run through the numbers with you, explain to you what we're gonna do. We're gonna explain to you how we got this house as well, actually. A lot of people messaged me from the last video saying, can you explain how you found that house on Car Road? So we'll go through it and then give you like a clearer understanding of how we do things here. So we were searching for houses in the Midlands area because up north at the moment, anything that's going from about 70 to 130, a bit more, or?
About 150.
150 seems to be way overpriced. We viewed a house in the last video that was up for 110. It was really worth about 90K. End value was about 125.
Yeah.
There's nothing around, is there, in that market at the minute, Max?
No, everything is just going way too high above asking price and stuff.
So we started looking around at houses above 200K, spoke to a few agents, had a few conversations with friends of ours who are in the industry, and they all said that the houses that are over 200K at the moment, there's still a lot of profit in them.
Yeah.
Because everyone who's buying up north at the moment have budgets of, like we said, 70 to 150. So we found this house. Well, I found this house. I found it last week. Had a look at it, called the agent, went backwards and forwards. It was listed for 260. They expected it to go over to about 275, she said to me. But we put an offer in of 230 to start with, and they refused it. We went back at 235, they refused that. Went back at 240, our final offer, said we can complete with it in about 4 weeks, did I say?
I can't remember the specifics now.
I think I said 4 weeks. We're going to do a cash purchase and it'll all be completed. Then when I spoke to the vendor, he was quite happy with what we said, how we explained it. So he accepted the offer. It was taken off the market yesterday, and today was the first time we've actually seen it.
What house as well?
So the house has a cellar. It has the sunroom on the back. It's 2 bedrooms. We're going to turn it into a 4-bedroom. I think is probably the best way forward.
Definitely doable, yeah.
The garage, we're going to bring it forward. If you pull the front of the house back up again, please. The garage, we're going to pull. So the garage there, we're going to make that level with the front of the house. We're going to bring it all the way forward. Turn it into a 4-bedroom, knock the kitchen into the dining room, make it a bit more open plan, bring it up to a bit more modern. Render it, change the windows, change the doors. The house is having a fall back to brick, if I'm completely honest with you. There's chimney breasts to knock out. The garden, as you've just seen, is going to be a huge project in itself. We paid $240, like I said. We're going to spend around 60k on it. So with stamp and everything else, we're probably looking at about 315, maybe 320 all in. And we're expecting the end value to be 375 minimum.
In this market, you were saying $1 million.
Yeah, I think we could hit $1 million. Put it in auction, we'll get $1 million.
Yeah, too right.
No, I think 375 to 400 is where we're aiming for.
Yeah,
we're going to aim for that, aren't we?
I think realistically 375 is.
Yeah. So if we can make around £60,000 profit off this project in around 6 months,
yeah,
we'll be very happy. We're going to document this one from start to finish as well, guys. We're going to
complete like A to Z process.
Yeah, we're going to show you everything. We're going to do a really in-depth video on it as well at the end. So stick around for that. Make sure you subscribe to the channel to see the updates on this property. So yeah, so that's the plan with this house. Going to put it all on a video for you guys to see, start to finish. So that's it, Max. End of the day.
End of the day until tomorrow. Morning, geezer.
Good morning.
How you been?
Good.
Yeah, I've been good as well. Thanks for asking. Sound.
I'm immersed in this shift.
So what's the plan for today then?
So we picked the keys up for our new house at around 12:30, so 40 minutes.
Okay, cool.
We'll go down there. We'll show you guys what this new property is all about. 3-bedroom detached house, really nice in Birmingham. And then we have, what am I missing? Oh, our networking event.
So we're going straight from there to London, aren't we?
Straight, no, we're going to come back here first.
Oh yeah, so we're coming back here.
Come back to the offices and then we'll shoot straight to...
London.
Do that again?
London.
So yeah, that's the plan for the whole of the day. Duna, did you give the thumbs up for the day or not really, or you're not feeling it today? Don't look at me like that.
Come on, you want to go?
Do you ever have to ask me, like, do I want a game?
Okay, let me rephrase it. Do you want to get beaten at table tennis?
Guys, you've all watched on our stories the table tennis sagas in the
That's enough now,
circle.
come on, we're playing.
Ah. 1-0. 2-0. 3-0. 4-0. 4-1. 5-1. 6-1. 7-1. 7-2.
Oh! Oh my God.
9-2. 9-3.
9-4.
10-4. Where you going, mate? Let that be a lesson to all of you Property Circle members that keep calling me out all the time. And I wasn't even out of first gear. So guys, we are going to pick the keys up for the new house we bought in Birmingham now. Max, you've not seen this one yet, have you?
Not yet, no. Looking forward to it though.
It's a 3-bedroom detached. It's huge, really, really cool house. And yeah, Duna will do his thing, show you guys around it, and we'll tell you what our plans are with it. actually looks better than what I remember it.
This is a good size, isn't it?
Very good size. Look at the size of the garden.
You going to extend? Or just leave it for now?
Yeah, so there's some footings on the outside already. That's where we're going to extend it and have the kitchen and this as one.
Yeah, because the kitchen's a bit small actually, that look at it.
Yeah.
Kitchen's very small. So you're thinking kitchen diner here, extend that out as well?
Yeah.
Yeah, that'll look wicked, that will.
Around the garden, have a look from the back.
Yeah, this is really cool.
So the plan with this one, guys, is to extend it to where the footings are already, but we're going to go all the way to the side and put an extension on the side as well. Turn it into a 4-bedroom because it's a 3 at the moment. So we'll have it as a 4-bedroom with 2 en-suites in this one. It's going to take a while to do because we haven't got time. So
Got
this
so
one,
many other projects going on the go.
yeah, so this one's going to take time. So we are going to let tenants move in for 6 months. We're going to give it a light refurb, let tenants move in on a 6 months contract, and then come back to it and do the work that we need to do. And we've got a very good price for 260,000. And in this area where we are, with the extension done on the back, the extension done on the side, turn it into a 4-bedroom with 2 en-suites, we'll get roughly 400 to 450. So it's a really, really, really nice road. Do you want to go and take a look upstairs?
Let's do it. This is brilliant, isn't it? This is nice. This is really good size.
It does go to show though how much money you spend in the Midlands, and then you go up north and you can buy 3 houses for this price.
I know, yeah, for the same price. Yeah.
Probably rent them out for more or less a similar price as well. So this is bedroom 2. This is the master bedroom, I think. Yeah, it is.
Yeah, a little bit bigger, isn't it?
Yeah.
So it's just little things like refurb at the minute then, just
Yes.
little things, so flooring, painting,
Yep.
a little bit of carpentry, so skirting, doors. I mean, doors don't look that bad to be fair.
Yeah, I think we're gonna do the flooring. Although this flooring actually looks quite good, to be honest with you.
Mainly the carpets,
Yeah, the
really.
carpets will need changing. The house needs painting from top to bottom. The kitchen needs refitting. And that's it. And then the tenants will move in 2 weeks from today.
Yeah.
I think that's about.
Yeah.
We've got a team standing by who want to come and do this. We're actually paying, I think, 3,000 for a kitchen, bathroom, and painting and carpets.
Yeah.
That's because they owe us a favour as well. So I think they would have charged us about 4.5k.
Yeah. No, brilliant. It doesn't look that bad to be honest with you. I think it looks okay.
No, I like this house. It's really nice.
Perfect. So, I mean, these two are pretty much similar sizes, aren't they? But if we go into this 3rd bedroom here, Duna, the box bedroom, you can see it's quite small, so it would just be used as like an office sort of space or maybe a nursery for a young family. Still a good size though. So if we have a look at the bathroom now. Okay, bathroom's a good size today, isn't it? So yeah, just light refurbing here then guys as well. Refitting the whole bathroom, keeping the tiles, but just a case of replacing the flooring, replacing some of the other things and replacing the ceiling as well. Other than that, I think the bathroom size is great.
So guys, hope you enjoyed today's key collection on the new property that we got. Max is going to run through the numbers now, if you remember them.
I do remember them. So purchase price was 260,000. We're gonna go for a very light refurb for now, which is gonna be about £3,000 to £4,000. We're gonna have tenants move in about 2 weeks time on a 6-month contract. And then by the time that 6 months is up, we're gonna go all out on this house. So spending about 60k for extensions, etc. Hoping for an end value of about 4 to 450.
Yeah. The reason we can't do it for 6 months is because we run out of money for how many houses we're buying. So
yeah, no, I think the house is brilliant. I'm looking forward to what it's gonna look like once we get that full refurb up and running. But for now, we best shoot off to London, mate. We're late again.
Yep, let's go.
Catch.
You can't throw them in front of me.
Throw a line.
Then see how they land.
So guys, our train is at 5:20.
Yep.
Steve and Isabella are late, so we're now having to get another train. What can you do? It's coming home. Right guys, time to get an Uber to Bluebird in Chelsea. Right, not bad so far. 1-0 England. We're doing okay. We've had a few chances. Not really on target, but they're chances anyway. What a day it has been. I mean, happy with the score, but anyways, it's about 20-1 in the morning now. Time to go to bed, I think. Hope you've enjoyed the video, guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time. Brand everything.
Yeah, right. Tomorrow, bruv. Right. Big day, bruv.
What the fuck are we doing?
Why is this not in TVC? What are you talking about?
Waffle, waffle,
But the waffle is informative waffles.